Hi everyone, it's me, Samson Allison. You are welcome to my YouTube tutorial. And in this tutorial, we are going to look at a particular function in Microsoft Excel 2016. And this function will help us to cancel between dates. This function will help us to cancel a particular data that contain within these many cells. So let's take, for example, let's look at the way to count. We count cells between dates. So let's input the data that we're going to use for this tutorial. So let's say we have name and we have birthday. Under name we may have, you can put any name that you want. We have John, Solomon, Samuel, Shola, Akin, David, Joy. So we have names, and let's say give them you can input different birthday dates that you have in mind. So that I will put 15 of January 1999. That is 15 5. That's February 5th 1999. March 23rd 2000. May 1st 2000. May 11 2000. August 20 2000. And we also have for January 13 2001. So this is our data. So we can format it into a table, or we can use it as well like that. I'm going to format it as table into a table. I'm going to say maybe insert to a table. So we press OK. So we have table. So we have come here. We can put name and that's this. So we can put the year. We have 99, 2000 and 2001. So we are going to use Countifs formula to count the number of dates that fall within the 2000. So what we are going to use a self formula, which is Countif, and this is formula that we're going to use. Countif. This is formula in Excel, so it will help us to count the number of cells that contain dates between two dates. So we can use the Countif function in Excel. So what we are going to do is this. So the Countif function is built in to count cells that meets multiple criteria. In this case, we need to provide two criteria. One criteria for the earlier date and other for the latest date. So we supply the name range and for both two criteria. Let's look at this formula. We have count This is count, which means that it's an Excel formula, Excel function that came with it. And this is date. This is a range that we're going to supply for the both. And this is operations greater than equal to. So this is date, and this is the area where we put our function. So let's do, for example, let's go back so that it can be. So we have this. We can put our formula here. Let's input our formula now. So we see how it look like. So we have equal to, we have count if open brackets, we put date, and put comma, and we use our operation. We use operation greater than equal to, and we put and date. So we open the bracket and we locate where is our date. We have F5. So we put it in F5. So let's raise the F5. This is F5. So with comma, January, comma 1. I will close the bracket, we put comma. So what do we do? We put date again, and put comma, and we operation again, less than equal to comma. So we put and date, open the bracket, F5. Now let me use capital letter F5, comma, December 31, close, and close brackets. So now we have count if, date, or the operation formulas, operations, and we put where the year in question that we're talking about from the table. We put it there, and we put date, the operations, and the year. This one simply means that from our what we have here, this one simply means that the date, the range that we have in our table, and this simply means that from the year that we select, one is January and this is 1st of January, and we want Excel to look at the same date range again. If is greater than this but less than equals to this one should be, we are looking at 1990 now, this one should be January 1st 1999, that's the range that we want to look now, to December 31st 1999. So the date range that we are going to fix it now, the date is must be range, that is name range, that's the range that you want to supply. That's the date that we're supposed to have there. That's name range. That is where we want to look at name range, the named range I want to look at. We want to check that the name range that we want to check is this one from C5 to C11. So that's the name range. So we can put it here, C5 to C11. That first one. So we're going to change this one also. C5 to 611. as you can see, immediately I'm adjusting it, it's giving me, it's selecting the space for me. When I put C11, but if I remove C, it will select the first one alone. So we have put C11 so that it selects all. So after this, the next one that we look at is the range. This one shows that said build first day of year, and the next one as build the what, the last day, last day of year. And these two is the operations. They are the operators. Operators. And this one is greater than, equal to, and this the second one is less than, equal to. So, and you can see we have double inverted columns there. This double column is giving us that we are concatenate. We is used for this, means must be concatenate to join the operator or operation together. That's why we have a double quote to guide it. So when we press enter now, after we have done it, when we press enter now, we can see it gives us 2. So let's check how many 1999 here that we have. We have 1, 2. So it's giving us 2. So let's try the second one. Let's say we have is equal to, we have countifs, open the bracket, we select the range C5 to C11. And after we have selected the range, what we have to do next is to look at the first criteria that we want you to accept. So we want to put comma. So we put operation. We have double quotes, we have greater than, equal to, greater than. So greater than, equal to. So after that we use and put date. We open the bracket, we select what we have here. We have F6, we put F6. will now be that we want to look at for each January 1st. We close the bracket, we put comma, and we put the second range C5 to 611. We put comma, double quotes, less than, equal, I'll put and date again, open bracket, and put F6 December 31st. I'll close it, I'll close the circle. So when we press enter now, it's supposed to give us complete number of 2000 year to the 2000 that you have in the table. So we have that one, so we can press enter. So it didn't give us. So what we look at the formula. If there's any mistake, we have date, which is a range, and we have this one Countifs. So we have equal to, greater than, we have data, which is, this one is supposed to be date, not data. So that's why we have error. So it gives us 4. So how many years done we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can as well do the third one. Let's go for the third one. Is equal to count Countifs, open the bracket, we select the range C5 to 611. So it has already selected the range that we want to look at. So after that, we put comma and we look at operation. We want to that this function look inside the, we are telling you look inside the range and find the date that's greater than, so we have tell it to find the date that's greater than the date that we have in F7, greater than F7, greater than F7 January 1st. So this is F7. This is date that is greater than January 2001 January 1st. The date are greater than, with comma, I'll put close bracket, comma, I'll look at C5 to 611, comma. Now look at, but is less than equal to, this one should be greater than, greater than, but less than equals to equal to 2001, that is F7 December 31st, close the bracket, close bracket. So we are checking, we are looking, say look from this range, locate the date that is within the 2001, 1st of January 2001 to 31st of January. It must greater than 1st of January 2001, and it must greater than or equal to 1st of January 2001 and less than equal to December 31st 2001. So when we press enter now, it will give us the date, because this only date that fall within the range. That's what we have, one of it, and we have 2004, and we have 2 of 1991. So this is the tutorial, and this is the formula. If Countifs, date, the operation, the range, this one is a range, this is range name, you can see the range from where we want to select. This is the range that we choose from 5 to 11, that's the range. And this was an operation that should look at if that date is falling within that range. The range can be equal to or greater than that range. I'll put the range again, set again, that's the first criteria. When the function check the first criteria, it's okay, and it must also check that it must less than that the same year. The same year is more less than or equal to 31st of December of that the same year. So it will give us the what we want. So this is how to use Countifs to locate a specific range of numbers or a certain data within range of data. Thank you very much. If you like my tutorial, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you want to know whenever I'm dropping a new tutorial, you can hit the notification button. Thank you very much. Once again, my name is Samson Alison. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.